Hi friends, welcome to Diya's tutorial. In this video we are going to see how to place IFT and what are the parts in IFT. So before going into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe it. So this is the IFT. The interferential therapy is used to relieve pain and also decrease edema, and it also stimulates the muscle and even increase the blood circulation. Now we will see what are the parts in the IFT. Next we will see how to place it. So first we need to on the switch, main switch. So this connects to the machine, and then we have to on the button in the IFT. So at the side we have it. The machine is on now. So first we need to start programming it. So valid enter means that is the valid button. So then program, we have to set the program, and I'm using this knob to rotate the program. I'm placing it as 2 and giving valid. Next we have the back button, so it goes to the previous process. So if I click this, it goes to the previous step. Okay, and then reset button means if you have setting anything, it gets totally reset. So what are the steps? So first we need to enter, start giving the program. The program I have set it as 2, and then base frequency you need to set up, and the spectrum frequency. We will set this according to the condition or the region where we are placing the IFT. So it is not standard, it differs from each conditions. So I have used the frequency as spectrum frequency as 60, and I am giving it valid. And then treatment time, okay, treatment time I am giving it as 10 minutes only. So you can everything you can access through the knob, and then valid. And then this final knob is the intensity knob. After everything is set up, after the electrodes are being placed, we will slowly increase the intensity. Then the electrodes, we have 2 channels, that is the black will form the one channel and the red will form the other channel. So there are 2 channels. These electrodes are made up of rubber material. So now we need to place them in position. So before that we need to apply the ultrasonic gel. So this gel is used, we are using this gel. And we will also need the help of straps. These straps ensures that the electrodes are in their position. Suppose you are placing the electrodes in the shoulder region, then they will keep on moving. So with the help of strap, we will place them in the correct position. Materials that will be needed for the treatment is the gel, strap, and we will also need the cotton balls. I'll say why we need the cotton balls finally. Now we will see how to place the electrodes in position. So before placing, we will actually apply the gel. So first the channel 1, that is the black electrodes will be placed. That is we have to place them cross diagonally. Then the channel 2, and they are also placed diagonally. So can you see? Suppose assume that this is the area or the region where you are going to place the lead. Then we will place it like this. First channel diagonally, second channel diagonally. This is the area which have to be treated. So the effect will be produced in the center of this region. So if this red region is the region where the pain is present, then the electrode must be placed in this manner. So this is how the IFT must be placed. After placing the electrodes in position and after giving the program, now we must start the machine and increase the intensity. Before this, we must say to the patient that a vibration will be produced. If you have any difficulty, you can inform me. So each time this should be told to the patient. So you will increase the intensity slowly, and you need to ask the patient whether they are able to bear it, whether they are able to tolerate it. If they say it's enough, we have to stop it, and the intensity should be increased very slowly. And then after few minutes the vibration will get adapted, and the patient will feel as if the intensity has reduced. So you must ask the patient whether the vibration has got reduced. If so, you will increase the intensity further. So we must instruct the patient, and also every 2 minutes we need to ask whether the intensity got reduced. And finally, using the cotton balls, we have to remove whatever the gel is there present. We have to thoroughly remove it. So this is about IFT. IFT is really important that everyone must know. But placing the IFT is only not a role of a physiotherapist. We have many other roles such as assessing. We can assess the patient. We have mobilization technique, manipulation. We have different role as a physiotherapist. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope this video was useful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you need any topics to be discussed, you can comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Diya's tutorial.